Welcome to Ruchira Recipes. Today we are going to make a unique chutney with raw onion. You can serve this chutney with pori, bhakri or even dosa, uttappa. You can prepare it in just 2 minutes. It is spicy, tangy and even sweet. Take one onion, large size, cut it into pieces and add it to mixer grinder. Now add 1/4 cup grated coconut, or you can even use dry coconut. Now add 1 tablespoon tamarind and jaggery extract. If you don't have this extract, you can directly add small ball of jaggery and small ball of tamarind. Add salt as per taste and red chili powder as per taste. Now blend it to smooth paste. No need to add water. Remove the paste in a bowl. To prepare the tempering, heat the tadka pan and add 1 tablespoon of oil. When the oil is hot, add half tablespoon of mustard seeds and wait until they splutter. Now turn off the gas or flame, otherwise the tadka will burn. Then add 1/4 tablespoon of hing, that is asafoetida, 1/4 tablespoon turmeric powder. Pour the tempering on our chutney. Our quick and easy raw onion chutney is now ready. Thank you for watching Ruchira Recipes. Don't forget to like, share and subscribe.